Hello YouTube, hello dear Pragmatics, welcome to another review. Today it will be a different type of a video. I will do the unboxing of Dior Homme Le Parfum, precisely the official presentation, the official package you get when you order this full retail from Dior. Before we start the unboxing, I need to give you some information, some context. You can only buy this from the official Dior website, you cannot go to discounters or other shops. And this is the official presentation, the official package you get when you order this directly from Dior France. Now, I don't know, I'm not sure, and I cannot say this in this video, if you get the same presentation, the same package, if you order this in Canada, in the United States, in other parts of Europe, or if you order this in Middle East. Another useful information is that this video is not about the unboxing of Dior Homme Le Parfum or the review of this fragrance. This is only the unboxing of the official package, the official presentation you get when you order this from Dior, from the official website. More precisely, when you order this from Dior France. Okay. Now that you are aware of the conditions and terms of this video, let's begin the unboxing. But before that, a cup of coffee is required. Let's begin. And finally we get to the good part, the unboxing. I must confess that Dior is taking good care of their clients, good care of the shipping conditions. As you can see, you receive your order inside this heavy-duty card box, which is very difficult to open. Normally, when you get this type of a box, you have the opening on this side. And I don't know for which reason, Dior decided to make it almost impossible to get inside the box. So off camera, I decided to use a knife to unglue this opening part so I can easily open it in front of the camera. Now, as you can see, I will show you the box. There is nothing special about it, just a simple cardboard box. When you open it, you are welcomed with this presentation, which is very beautiful and quite elegant. Let's take the box outside. And we have something else. I think this normally should be the papers, the official papers. Dior gives you the bill and the returning papers if you are not happy with your order. There is nothing interesting inside. Let's get to the main attraction. This is the official presentation, which is beautiful, really beautiful. You have this leather kind of a texture. This is not leather, and this is not some kind of a fake leather. I think this is cardboard, which is hard pressed to look like leather, to mimic the texture of the leather. And you have this beautiful ribbon around it, which is carefully put around the box, so we can still see the name of the house in the middle. Okay, I will show you the back. Really beautiful. Good attention to details, elegant presentation, good box. Now let's get inside, let's get to the interesting part. Let's undo the ribbon. Beautiful. Everything goes smooth. Really beautiful. I will keep this ribbon, make a tie out of it. No, just joking. And now some emotions. Let's see what we get inside the official presentation, the official package from Dior France. Let me take it out and let's build some tension. Like an action movie, like a horror movie. I hope this is not the case. And the moment of truth. Oh, I was expecting that. Let me get this. Dior does very well the presentation. I mean, the whole unboxing experience already prepares you for the elegance you get from the fragrance. a lot of papers, and more Dior ribbons. Oh, these are just papers. This is the extra, I think, because when you order from the official site, they give you some extras to choose. So I choose a few fragrances. So I think this is that. Let me put it aside. And yeah, I have a mini fragrance here. I will put it aside also. And I think that's all. Yeah. And you get a lot of paper, and also the main attraction, the parfum. Let me put it aside. There is nothing else inside the box, just to show you. Now, let me show you again the presentation, the official presentation of Dior Homme Le Parfum. I think this is the same everywhere, doesn't matter which side of the world you are. This is the same. I cannot see the batch number, but this is the latest edition of Dior Homme Le Parfum. This is not a vintage one. This is not a special edition collection. This is the latest. And let me put it here. Let me show you the extra goodies I get with the parfum. At the moment I place my order, they give me some options, but as a man you don't have many to choose from. So this is the best I could make from it. So they gave me Dior Gris. This is a miniature parfum. This is the 7.5 mils, I think, bottle. And I will review this on my channel. So if you want to see the review, subscribe to be notified when I will make the review. Also, they offer the option to choose a couple of samples. So this is the best I could make of it. And I got Dior Eau Noire, and also I get Dior Cologne Blanche, which I will make the review for the both of them on this channel. So if you want to see the review, stick around, subscribe to get notified and to get my impressions of these two. And we got to the end of this unboxing video. I know it wasn't very exciting, it wasn't very special, but this is just to show you the official presentation, the official package you get when you order the Dior Homme Le Parfum from the official website in France. You might ask yourselves, what about the fragrance? What about the review of the fragrance? When do you do that? When I will get to 1000 subscribers mark, if I will ever get there, I will release my review, my take on Dior Homme Le Parfum to celebrate that. That's all for today, dear Pharmatics. I want to take a moment to say a big thank you to my current subscribers. And if you are new here and it's your first time and you stayed until the end of this video, it means that I'm doing something good, something you like, something useful for you. So I will invite you to subscribe to get more content like this or to see the other reviews I have on my channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and see you next time. Bye.